Hi guys! In today's video I will teach you different ways to say hello. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Hey, or you can say hi. It's the common way to say hello when you are among your friends, or you can use it when you know someone well. Number 2. Hi there. Hi there. You can use it among your friends too. Number 3. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? It's very informal and it looks like a question, but actually doesn't require an answer. So, hey, what's up? Number 4. How is everything? How is everything? Number 5. Morning, afternoon, evening. When you see someone for the first time at a specific time of the day, you can use these words. If it's early in the day, you can say morning. If it's near lunchtime, you can say afternoon. And if it's nighttime, you can say evening. Number 6. Long time no see. When you haven't seen someone in a long time, you can say long time no see. Number 7. How have you been? How have you been? Number 8. What's happening? What's happening? Number 9. Hey, there she is. Or you can say, hey, there he is. It can show your excitement to see someone. Number 10. What's going on? What's going on? Number 11. How is it going? How is it going? Be careful, you can use it as a real question, but here you mean hello. Number 12. What's new? What's new? Or you can say, what's good? What's good? So try to say hello in a different way today. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Bye bye.